Fidelity login. How do I add a new/additional account to an existing brokerage/investment company into Quicken? To add a new or additional account to an existing brokerage/investment company in Quicken, follow these steps. 1. Open Quicken, launch Quicken on your computer. 2. Go to Tools, click on the Tools menu at the top of the screen. 3. Select Account List, choose Account List from the drop-down menu. 4. Add Account, click on the Add Account button. 5. Choose Financial Institution, select your brokerage/investment company from the list of financial institutions. 6. Enter credentials, enter your login credentials for the brokerage account you want to add. 7. Connect online, follow the prompts to connect your account online. 8. Complete setup, complete the setup process by accepting any new transactions and reconciling the account with your online statement. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can refer to Quicken's support resources or tutorials available online.